set different ringtone for different SIM in your Redmi device. For that, you have to follow this step. So if you want to set the different ringtone, you have to go for your device setting here. And under your device setting, you have to go for the SIM card and mobile network. So here you can see the SIM card 1 and SIM card slot 2. So here on my device, there is no any 2 SIM, but I can provide you the guidance. And here you have to select your SIM card here. So under your SIM card, here you can't see any set different ringtone option. So you have to go back and search for the ringtone option here. So once you have searched for the ringtone here, you have to scroll down and here you can see your ringtone option here. And on the top you can see your ringtone option. You have to go for that. And under your ringtone you have to go for the choose ringtone and go from your you can choose your select tone from your music or any of the file here. Also you can go for the dynamic ringtone here. Go for your ringtone option. Here you can see. So from here you can change your ringtone. Also you can go for the more option. Here you can see that. And after that and go back, you can see here you have selected that ringtone. So here you can see that from this step you can change the different ringtone from the different SIM in your Redmi device. So as for these guidelines, you will able to set the different ringtones for your different SIM cards. So here on my device there is no any two SIM, but if you go for the ringtone option and if you select the one of the ringtone, it will show the SIM card 1 or SIM card 2 there. So you have to select your preferred ringtone for that. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.